Not interested.
And set.
And action.
Do we have an accord?
Marker.
Action.
You can keep Barbosa, the belligerent homunculus, and his sticky wooden friend. Yeah.
Reset.
Still rolling. Marker.
I'll get it this time, I promise. Don't worry.
Set.
Action.
You can keep Barbosa, the belligerent homunculus, and his...
Hard a port! Gather way! Keep her trim!
Nay, belay that! Do something else!
You can't come.
I don't know how he's going to do it. I'm getting this all wrong completely. Can we start again?
Apologies, Your Majesty. But 'tis certain the world we know ends today, and I won't be letting the likes of Beckett Cutler, well, sometimes known Cutler Beckett.
My beer. Hi, darling. My beer.
Someone must ensure that the world turns properly. People are what they... Oh, but that, you can't curse in a Disney film, mate. See? I told him.
Marker.
Mr. Gibbs, is there any particular reason why my ship is gone? The ship? Square my debt with Jones. Guarantee my free. What's in there?
Why didn't you tell me you were planning this?
Buzzy, what's the bear? Buzzy, had no hair. Go on.
And set.
I'm trying to work.
Set.
Calypso! I come before you as but a servant. You blew my hat off your... Let us not, dear friend, forget our lines. Let us not forget our lines, shall we?
Back to your station, sailor.
And I assure you our intentions are strictly honorable.
And the objects. For apology.
It's strictly honorable. I assure you our intentions are strictly honorable. Thinking of putting in French doors, actually. Like a bit of cross breed.
Sorry, I got caught up.
Thinking of putting in French doors, actually. Like a bit of cross breeze.
Oh, God.
Thank you. Set.
And action.
Oh. Bugger. That's powerful. Do we have any code? Bugger, that was good.